What are betting odds? Meaning and how they work. Betting odds are more than numbers beside a team or outcome. The explanation connects betting odds with implied probability, possible payout, odds formats, and the reason those numbers shape every wager. Odds are the price attached to an outcome. In simple terms, betting odds show what a person could receive if a bet wins. They risk, a stake, the three common odds formats. Betting odds are usually shown in three main formats. The risk does not, return and profit are not the same thing. This is one of the first details beginners should understand. For example, imagine someone risks 10 units at decimal odds of 3.00. Odds also suggest implied probability. Odds can be converted into implied probability. This helps explain why high odds are not automatically better. Favorites and underdogs can both mislead beginners. A favorite is the outcome expected to happen more often, but a favorite can lose because of injuries, mistakes, bad form, weather, tactics, pressure, or one unpredictable moment. Why bookmaker margin matters. Odds are not purely neutral numbers. That does not mean a person can never win an individual bet. Why odds move before an event. Odds can change before an event begins. Odds are prices, and prices can change when information, demand, or risk changes. Why live odds can move even faster. During live betting, odds can change quickly. The odds are moving while the event is happening, and a person may feel pressure to act quickly. High odds do not mean a good opportunity. High odds can be attractive because the possible payout is larger, but a high payout usually means the outcome is considered less likely. Low odds do not mean easy money. Low odds can also be misleading. They can make an outcome feel safe because the return is smaller and the result is considered more likely. But odds are not a prediction machine. Betting odds can help explain how a market views an event. They do not decide what happens in the game. Legality depends on location. Betting rules are different depending on where someone lives. A website or app appearing online does not automatically make it legal or safe in a specific location. Responsible gambling comes before any odds format. Understanding odds can make the numbers clearer. Warning signs can include betting more than planned, feeling anxious when not betting, trying to recover losses quickly, or no longer enjoying sports unless money is involved. The simplest way to read betting odds. Betting odds show the potential return if a bet wins. If someone does not understand the odds, the stake, the possible loss, and the rules of the market, the safest decision is not to bet,